The Delhi police today sounded the alarm in Supreme Court, warning that educated individuals can be far more dangerous than ground-level terrorists. Appearing for the Delhi police, the additional Solicitor General, S.V. Raju, argued that Sharjeel Imam and his associates used their state-funded education and resources to plot violence against the state and not just protests. The Supreme Court resumed hearing on Sharjeel Imam's bail plea in the 2020 Delhi riots case. The Delhi police insisting there's a broader conspiracy which was actually aimed at the regime change at the center. Speeches with reference to cutting off India at the chicken's neck, the very crucial Siliguri corridor to cut off Assam and the entire northeast. Now, these are very sensitive parts of the country, but these were some of the speeches that were flagged in front of the Supreme Court, and you could hear these speeches or chunks of these speeches in Supreme Court. This was to inflame communal passions in India, the police submitted. Srishti Ojha brings you our top story.
असम को काटना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। असम और इंडिया कट के अलग हो जाए और वो बंद कर सकते हैं। ये चिकन नेक्स्ट मुसलमानों का है, वो जो इलाका है मुस्लिम अक्सरियत है।
The Delhi police on Thursday made a sharp and hard-hitting argument against intellectual terrorism in the Supreme Court. Appearing for Delhi police, Additional Solicitor General V. Raju told the court that educated individuals can be more dangerous than ground-level terrorists, red flagging that they use state-funded degrees and use that knowledge for sources for nefarious activities. The police made their case as the top court resumed hearing the bail plea of Sharjeel Imam, one of the accused in the 2020 Delhi riots case. Delhi police told the top court that Sharjeel Imam and his associates did not just organize protests. The police alleged they were working towards regime change and said Imam was trying to provoke Muslims during the anti-CAA protests. The Additional Solicitor General referenced multiple speeches of Sharjeel Imam, argued that Imam spoke of the chicken neck that connects Assam to the rest of India and linked it to a larger plan.
5 लाख लोग हमारे पास हो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, तो हम हिंदुस्तान और नॉर्थ ईस्ट को परमानेंटली कट कर सकते हैं। परमानेंटली नहीं तो कम से कम 1 महीने के लिए तो कट कर ही सकते हैं। मतलब इतना मवाद डाले पटरियों पर, रोड पे, उनको हटाने में 1 महीना लगे, है कि नहीं? जाए एयरफोर्स से। असम को काटना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। असम और इंडिया कट के अलग हो जाए, तभी ये हमारी बात सुनेंगे। असम में जो मुसलमानों का हाल है आपको पता है, सीए नाफिज हो चुका है, वहाँ डिटेंशन कैंप में लोग डाले जा रहे हैं।
The Delhi High Court had earlier refused bail to several accused, calling the violence conspirational and saying protests cannot be used as a cover for street-level disruption. The Supreme Court will continue hearing the matter. For now, the focus remains on speeches, the alleged conspiracy, and the Delhi police's strong warning about what it calls intellectual terrorism. With Munish Pandey and Srishti Ojha, Bureau Report, India Today.